Pretty one.
No, backstage.
Tuwulire ku birthday taata kyabadde kitya wamukoledde kati omanyi kati mubi tukweka twalabye muli bweru.
Decided to celebrate in Paris. Yeah. Somebody chat down with them.
Wasazeewo gimutwalire bweru.
Yeah.
Walaba yakola okay.
No, but it's fine.
Seki gy'otanda mutambuza.
Why?
Seki gy'otanda mutwala.
I Charlie. Yeah, Charlie.
Emikola egisinga bwagimala. Emikola egiroka tegibakwasa obujja oba ekijegejege ne mugamba bamuddemuko.
Why not? Hey, you're not celebrating it. Hey, Charlie.
Thank you so
Anytime.
much. Thank you so much for coming out for the beauty sister live. Kandi nienda kubisa on 19th September. I'm going to be live at Rugogo Cricket Oval.
Abasajja mmwe mukikola mutale mbanga mukwatagana. Mukwatagana ne Kensa abakazi bamutebekola.
I think it's maturity. Yeah. It's enough with your family. Yeah. It's about that. One of them yeah, the family is about that. Yeah. It's enough.
Kali abakazi akoni.
Sawa yako.
Yakala mwana mubeka. Yakala mubeka.